Hey Claude, this is Jackie Otwell with Maxhouse Marketing. We spoke last week briefly on the phone about me shooting you this little custom video over. So first things first, I want to go ahead and type in HVAC Services Austin, Texas into Google to see where we're at. So this top section up here is a sponsored section, meaning that these people are paying for ads. And then right below is the Google Map Pack. So if you're not part of that, we would definitely add you to that. And then this is the organic section. So this is essentially like where the ranking begins. So obviously the #1 spot is Yelp, which is a directory link. So I kind of want to just go with like an actual company. So I went ahead and just clicked on Precision Heat and Air. So I'm going to compare your website to theirs through the duration of this video. First topic that I'm going to cover for y'all is content. So content is any verbiage or wording on this throughout your website, but we're going to focus specifically on the home page. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and grab all of this content, and I am going to type it into the word counter and see where we're at. So they have about 1,200 words of content on their home page. And let's go ahead and take a look at yours. It looks as though you have about 950 words. So Google actually recommends having around 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Reason being, these all provide opportunities for us to sneak in keywords and high search volume keywords to generate your website in Google searches. So that leads me to our second topic that we're going to cover, which are keywords. So what is a keyword? Keywords are these little phrases that you stick into Google to populate your website. So what I do next is I go ahead and grab each of these websites and I stick it into Ahrefs, which is essentially an online auditing tool that I use. And you can see right off the bat that they're generating about 33.2K worth of traffic value a month. But they're also spending a pretty penny on that also. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at their keywords. HVAC Austin, AC Repair Austin, HVAC Austin. So all of those are good keywords. Things like, I just saw one, air conditioning contractor, heating air conditioning service. So although that has a high search volume, it's a nationwide keyword because there's not a location attached, meaning that someone in Oregon could essentially Google this and possibly populate this website. Is that going to bring you business, make you money? No, unless you plan on popping on a plane, flying to Oregon, servicing them, and flying back. Doesn't really bring any value to us. So we're going to stick with those local buyer intent keywords. So if we take a look at yours, we can see that you have radiator repair Austin, radiator repair Austin, Texas, radiator Round Rock. So none of these down here seem to have a location attached, so these are all nationwide. I think there's a lot more we could do with generating more traffic for you. You can include all those surrounding towns as well. So the last thing that we are going to touch on are backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet where your website is linked. So somewhere throughout the internet, this website is linked 3.36K times, meaning that's providing 3.36K more opportunities for this website to gain publicity, be seen, etc. So we look at yours has about 439. We don't necessarily have to beat this number to outrank them. We just have to add higher powered, stronger backlinks. That being said, I hope that you found this video informative. Feel free to incorporate these tips on your own on your website, or of course reach out to me for more information. I'd love to help you. All of my contact information will be linked in my email below, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.